Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video as usual we are going to repair this 32-inch LG TV that comes for sound okay no picture problem. Usually these types of complaints are mainly related with backlight faults anyway. Here we already started repairing. See, there are total 3 backlight strips are there. But while checking with LED backlight checker, see all LED lights are working. But while checking output voltage in checker we can notice that the backlight strip is showing 50 voltage approximately. It means that any one LED in that strip is short, so due to that it makes an overcurrent problem which causes the no display problems. Here the one and only permanent solution is backlight replacement. Here we need to replace entire backlight with new LED strips. So here we already take 3 new LED strips. Before fixing, now let's check the LED strips in LED checker to ensure that there is no manufacturing defects. Now we need to fix this. Finally here we fixed backlight. Now all sockets, panel frame, LVDS cable, everything connected back to TV. Now in this condition let's turn on the TV and check the picture is okay or not. See friends, now the picture comes and the TV is working properly without any problems. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.